Welcome. We're delighted to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates, tips, and exciting content. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned and enjoy our videos. Thank you for visiting, and we look forward to sharing more amazing content with you. Today, we delve into the beautiful fusion of classical and modern furniture styles, showcasing how these two contrasting aesthetics can create stunning, timeless interiors. Classical furniture, with its intricate carvings, ornate detailing, and rich history, exudes elegance and grandeur. On the other hand, modern furniture emphasizes minimalism, clean lines, and functionality, reflecting contemporary tastes and lifestyles. When these styles are thoughtfully combined, they bring a harmonious balance that elevates any space. Whether you're a homeowner seeking to add a touch of sophistication, classical furniture is rooted in history and craftsmanship, often characterized by its elaborate carvings, luxurious materials, and detailed ornamentation. Pieces such as Victorian armchairs, Baroque tables, and Rococo cabinets showcase craftsmanship at its finest, emphasizing aesthetics and grandeur. These furniture styles often feature rich woods like mahogany, oak, and walnut, complemented by gold accents, intricate inlays, and upholstery with luxurious fabrics. The appeal of classical furniture lies in its ability to evoke a sense of history. Modern furniture is a celebration of simplicity, functionality, and innovation. It emerged in the early 20th century as a response to ornate Victorian styles, favoring clean lines, open spaces, and minimal ornamentation. Materials like metal, glass, and engineered wood are commonly used, emphasizing sleekness and practicality. This style prioritizes comfort and utility, often featuring modular designs and multi-purpose furniture that adapts to contemporary lifestyles. Modern furniture's neutral color palettes, white, black, gray, and earth tones, serve as versatile backdrops for various decor. Successfully combining classical and modern furniture requires a keen eye for balance and proportion. One fundamental principle is contrast. Pairing ornate, detailed classical pieces with sleek, minimalist modern furniture creates visual interest. To achieve harmony, focus on color palettes. Neutral tones like whites, creams, and muted shades serve as a common ground, allowing contrasting styles to coexist without clashing. Mix materials thoughtfully. A modern glass top table can beautifully complement a carved wooden chair, while metallic in any interior, focal points anchor the space and draw attention. When blending classical and modern furniture, choosing the right statement pieces can elevate the entire decor. For example, a grand, intricately carved vintage mirror can serve as a centerpiece in a modern living room, adding depth and elegance. Conversely, a sleek, contemporary sofa with clean lines can provide a modern contrast to a traditional, ornate fireplace mantel. Lighting plays a crucial role. Chandelier decorating with a mix of classical and modern furniture involves strategic planning. Start by defining your style goals. Do you want a more traditional, contemporary, or eclectic look? Once clear, select a dominant style to anchor the space. For instance, if modern furniture is your base, add classical accents through decorative elements like vintage lamps, ornate picture frames, or antique rugs. Conversely, if your foundation is classical, incorporate modern. Color and texture are powerful tools in blending classical and modern furniture seamlessly. In a space dominated by modern furniture, adding rich, warm hues like deep reds, golds, or emerald greens through cushions, curtains, or accent walls can evoke classical opulence. Conversely, a primarily classical space can be invigorated with modern color accents such as bold geometric patterns or pastel shades. Texture also plays a vital role, combining smooth, sleek. Sustainability is increasingly important in modern decor, and blending classical with modern furniture offers unique opportunities for eco-friendly design. Reclaimed wood and vintage pieces give classical furniture new life, reducing waste and adding character. Modern furniture manufacturers now prioritize sustainable materials like bamboo, recycled metals, and eco-friendly fabrics, making it easier to create environmentally conscious interiors. Incorporating plants and natural elements further enhance. Thank you so much for your support. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch and engage with our content. If you enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe for more updates, tips, and exciting videos. Your encouragement motivates us to create even better content. Thanks again for being part of our community.